Hello everyone, in this video we're going to talk about how to multiply some polynomials. So in this example, or in this video, we're going to do two examples, one where we multiply more of a vertical format and one where we multiply using more of a horizontal format. Okay, so at the beginning it says to multiply polynomials, we want to multiply each term of the first polynomial by each term of the second polynomial. So we jump right into example number one. We have 2x squared minus 3x plus 5. We're going to multiply that by x minus 2. So for number one, we're doing this more of a vertical format. So we want to take negative 2 and we want to multiply it by all three of our terms in our first polynomial, okay? So we're going to do negative 2 times 5 would be negative 10, and I'm just going to write that right below my two constants there. All right, and then, so let's take this circle off. So we multiplied that. Now we're going to multiply negative 2 times negative 3x. So that's going to be plus 6x. And then lastly, negative 2 times 2x squared. So that's going to be minus 4x squared. Okay, so now we've multiplied our negative 2 by all three of our terms in our first polynomial. So now we want to do the same thing with all of our terms with x. So we're going to multiply x times 5. But I'm going to leave a blank right here because I want to vertically align my like terms. Right? So x times 5 would be a 5x, and we can put a plus sign right there because it's a positive 5x. Multiply here, we get x times negative 3x, which would give us a negative 3x squared. And then lastly, we're going to multiply 2x squared times x. And I'm going to go ahead and slide all of this over so I can have a little bit more room. Okay, and so that's going to give us a 2x cubed, right? And so now we have like terms vertically aligned and we can add the result there. So this is going to be a negative 10. We have 6x plus 5x would be 11x, negative 4x squared, and then plus negative 3x squared, so negative 7x squared. And then we only have this one cubed term there, so it's just 2x cubed. So our final answer would be 2x cubed minus 7x squared plus 11x minus 10. And that's how we can vertically multiply two polynomials. So now let's talk more about a horizontal method. So we have y plus 8 times 2y squared minus 4y plus 3. And so what I like to do is kind of draw some rainbows here, almost like we're distributing each of our terms. So first of all, I'm going to multiply y by all three of those terms. So y times 2y squared would be 2y cubed. Y times negative 4y would be negative 4y squared. And then y times 3 would be plus 3y. Okay, so now I'll switch up my color here to a green, and we'll multiply 8 now by all three of these terms. Okay, so we have 8 times 2y squared, so that would be a positive 16y squared. 8 times negative 4y would be a minus or a negative 32y. And then 8 times 3 would be plus 24. Okay, so now we can go ahead and look at our like terms and combine them. So notice we only have this one cubed term, so that's going to be in our answer, 2y cubed. But then we have negative 4y squared plus 16y squared, so that's going to give us a plus 12y squared. And then we have 3y minus 32y, so that'd be a negative 29y. And then we have plus 24, that's our only constant at the end. Okay, so our final answer would be 2y cubed plus 12y squared minus 29y plus 24, and that is how you can multiply two polynomials.